How to use the Shopify POS Smart Grid Editor. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Shopify POS Smart Grid Editor. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a comprehensive e-commerce platform designed to facilitate the creation and management of online stores, in which the platform provides a robust suite of services including payment processing, marketing tools, shipping solutions, and customer engagement features, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. And users can enhance their stores by integrating additional apps and services tailored to their specific needs. Notably, Shopify also supports in-person sales through its point-of-sale or POS system, allowing businesses to synchronize their online and offline sales seamlessly. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner. And after that, all you need to do is to simply sign in on this Shopify, then you will be directed on this page. So this is basically what the home page looks like. And on the left side panel, it will show you a variety of options that you can start navigating. And now to start using the point of sale, just click on it. And from here, it will show you the purpose of this POS, which is an integrated retail solution that enables businesses to sell products in person while seamlessly managing their online store offline operations. And now to start using the Smart Grid Editor, just click on the settings option on the left side panel. And below here, it will show you under general some of the options in here and also checkout option in here. But just proceed by clicking the Smart Grid under this general settings. Upon clicking on it, will automatically be directed on this page. And now to start creating a new Smart Grid, just click this Create New button on the top right corner. And after that, from here, on the right side panel, you could also start navigating to add here the name of this Smart Grid. For example, I'm going to enter here as the title of it, Sample. And below, as you can see, you could also set this as default and even choose the location for this Smart Grid. So I'm just going to choose this one and click the Done button to proceed. And now after choosing the location and your title, you can now proceed by clicking the Customize in here. And it will show in here that you can start customizing your home screen in here that enhances the user experience for retailers by allowing them to organize and access frequently used features and products efficiently. And now as you can see within this page 1, this is what the option looks like. And to add new title, just click on the left side panel this Add Title button. And upon clicking on it, from here you have the option to choose either auction, link, fee, and many more, in which each option has its corresponding subcategories or option in here. But for instance, I'm going to choose here this discount option. Upon clicking this one, on this page or in this pop-up window, just simply enter here the discount percentage, which is I'm going to enter 20%, and for the reason of this discount, for example, I'm going to enter here anniversary of brand, and by clicking this add button, you will now be able to be directed in here. And as you can see, we have now successfully add here the 20% discount, and you could also set to make this option or tile on the top panel, or change the location a bit by simply dragging it on the left side panel in here to start changing the location of it. So as you can see, we have now successfully added here a title within this page. And aside from that, if you also want to remove some other title, you can do so by clicking this trash icon in here. Then it will show you that some item or title in here has now been banished or removed on this page. And now aside from discount title in here, you could also add here another kind of title, which is, for example, I'm going to enter here fee by clicking this fee option right here. All you need to do is to simply enter on this pop-up window the title of it and also the prices of this fee. So for example, I'm going to enter here the title, which is tax, and after that, just enter the tax price in here. So you can simply enter here depending on your preferences amount and click add button to proceed. And now you will now be able to see here the fee, which is tax, and its amount. And aside from that, you could also add here on the left side panel a page title by clicking Add Title Page. And after that, just simply choose here a kind of action, linked, and any other option you want to input in this page. So for instance, I'm going to click or choose here this gift card. By simply clicking on it, it will automatically add in our page in here. And by clicking this Add Gift Card Title, you will automatically be directed in here where you can start changing the color of it depending on your preferences. Moving on, aside from gift card, you could also add here on this title page by selecting this product and simply choosing this product in here and click the Save button to proceed. So basically, this interface enables merchants to add titles representing various functions such as, for example, this product, this gift card, and many more. And aside from that, if you also want to customize the mode of it, you could also navigate on the top right corner to change it into dark mode and even light mode in here depending on your preferences. And even switch it to the mobile mode to see what it looks like when using a mobile. And if you're now done, just click the apply button on the top right corner. And it will automatically be directed in here where you can start saving this kind of smart grid in Shopify POS. And now after successfully saving your point of sale in here, you'll now be able to be directed on this page. And from here, if you also want to start duplicating a smart grid, kind of click on this kind of smart grid file. And upon clicking on it, just proceed by clicking this duplicate button on the top right corner. And from here, you can now start copying some of your smart grid and customizing it depending on your preferences. So overall, by utilizing the smart grid, businesses can create a more intuitive and engaging shopping environment, making it easier for employees to serve customers effectively and efficiently. So overall, that is just basically how you can use the Shopify POS Smart Grid Editor. Thank you.